Hello, this is Marley Feckry. I'm thrilled to share my experience at Swiss Alpine Centre. First, I came to know about this prestigious culinary school through a friend who previously has been graduated, and her recommendation and outstanding experience was all the motivation I needed by that time to enroll in the program. My journey has been both rewarding and challenging. One of the major challenges I faced was adapting to the academic and practical demands. However, with the guidance of my teachers and dedicated chefs, I was able to overcome and navigate those challenges and excel in my studies. To the future students, I recommend they stay focused, determined, and make use of all the available sources to enhance their learning experience. The Swiss Alpine Centre goes beyond just teaching the culinary skills. The school also fosters a deep appreciation and interest in the culinary arts. The school course, designed to expose students to a wide range of culinary techniques, cooking styles, and cultural dishes as well. The most important aspect of hospitality and tourism that I have learned is customer satisfaction. And it is vital to understand that the customer satisfaction is the key of any culinary establishment. One of the best memories in Swiss Alpine Centre was participating in the annual culinary competition. The adrenaline rush and the feeling that I had when you create a winning dish is the moment I cherish forever. Currently, I'm interning at the Grace Hotel in Santorini. Thanks to the school's internship placement program, the school really played a very important role to secure my internship, and I'm really grateful for the opportunity to learn among those best culinary professionals in the industry. If I had to define hospitality in one word, I would be saying welcoming. Hospitality is about creating an environment that makes your guests feel comfortable, valued, and appreciated. It's about making them feel at home, regardless of where they are in the world. Thank you.